Welcome. If you want to control who can see your social networks on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set your Roblox social networks visibility to friends and people I follow. This is the updated method, so you'll have the latest info to keep your account just the way you want it. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open up the Roblox app. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open up the menu. Next, you'll see several options. What you want to do is scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This will take you to the main Settings menu for your Roblox account. Now in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Account Info. Tap on Account Info to enter the area where you can manage your personal details and privacy settings. Once you're in the Account Info section, scroll down until you find the part labeled Social Networks Visibility. This is where you control who can see the social networks you've linked to your Roblox account. You'll notice a few different visibility options. To make sure only your friends and the people you follow can see your social networks, select the option that says Friends and People I Follow. Just tap on it, and your choice will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully updated your social networks visibility settings on Roblox. Now, only your friends and the people you follow will be able to see your linked social networks, giving you more control over your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your safer, more private Roblox experience.